Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can unblock a person in the Snapchat. For example, if you added a friend and if you had a chat with him or her and later you block that, now if you want to unblock that particular person, you can do that in Snapchat. So first of all, open the Snapchat app. So click on your profile here. After just beside the search, you will have a profile picture, image, or your story settings or whatever it may be. So you need to click on left top corner. So this will take you to the your profile page. So this is your profile page. So at right top corner you'll find a symbol called settings here. So click on settings and just you need to scroll down. Scroll to bottom. Yes, here at bottom you can find something like blocked here. So click on that and here you will find all your blocked contacts or your blocked friends. So once you find someone, uh, for example, I try to block someone and unblock now. Okay, okay, click on friends. For example, if I block this person, yes, so I'll find this contact at settings and blocked, and here I can. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchat? Yes. So this is how you can unblock a person in a Snapchat. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.